time to actually place our trade. Okay, this is the second leg of the two legs in covered call options. First we purchase the stock and then we sell the option. Okay, now we see that our cash balance has dropped to $992.27, reflecting the money that we spent in purchasing the stock. Under transactions, we want to go to options because that's what we're doing now. And we're going to go to sell covered call. Okay, because we could sell a covered call, and if we're instituting an exit strategy, we could be buying to close. In this case, we're selling the covered call. And we put in our ticker symbol, once again, UPUIG. The number of contracts is 1. Remember, 100 shares is the equivalent of one options contract. And this time we're going to put in a limit price because a lot of times there's a spread in the bid-ask, and we want to make sure that we're as close, we get as much money as we can. If there's a big spread, we can play the spread, and that's a discussion for another day. But I always put a limit order in when it comes to selling an option. In this case, we put it in at the 120, which we got from the options chain, but we're going to recheck that. Okay, once again, day only, and we hit next on the lower right part of the screen. Now the next screen will show us the actual bid-ask, and you see that the bid has actually gone up from $1.20 to $1.25 in the time that we were buying the stock and checking the options chain. So what we're going to do then is we're going to change our order because we want to get that extra 5 cents. Okay, so we click on change order, and that'll take us back to the trading page, and we'll change our limit price from $1.20 to $1.25, and once again hit next on the lower right part of the screen. Okay, and once again we'll get an order confirmation, which will show us the amount of money generated into our account once it's executed, which is the $1.25 times 100 minus the trading commission, which in this case is $6.25, generating $118.75 into the account if we get it at the 125. And we go ahead and check our order status. Once again, usually a link towards the right side of the page. And the next page does show us that the trade was executed at $1.25. You see there we sell to open 1 UPUIG at $1.25. And we go ahead and check our activity on the next page, and that shows us that we generated the $118.74 into our account. So the cash is in our account. It's our money to do whatever we want with, and nobody can ever take that money away from us. Of course, as with any other covered call position, we have to be prepared for exit strategies should the stock take a downturn, or perhaps a rolling out and up exit strategy if we are above the strike price come expiration Friday. Now, let's just look at our calculations for 6 weeks. We generated into our account, well, first of all, we purchased the stock for $34.10. Okay, and we sold the September contract for $1.25. Even if we knock off the commissions for these, the percentage return for the 6 weeks comes to 3.5%. We take $119 after commission and divide it by the $34.16, which is the price plus commission, giving you the worst case scenario, and that comes to 3.5% 6-week return, which annualizes out to 30%. Now, should that stock go from $34.10 past the strike price of $35, now we've made another $90 per contract. That $90 represents an additional 2.6% 6-week return. So the total possible return we have on this deal is 6.1%, 3.5 plus a possible 2.6 if the equity does appreciate past 35. A 6.1% 6-week return annualizes out to a 52% annual return. Not bad. So folks, there you have it. We went through an entire covered call trade We do our due diligence first, and then we go to the computer, purchase the stock, sell the option. The cash is generated into our account immediately, where we have an opportunity to compound our money in minutes. And then, of course, from there, it's management and watching for exit strategies. So I hope you found this helpful. I look forward to hearing from you, and I'll be doing more and more of these videos as time goes on. Take care, everybody.